The life path number 1, what it means for you. If you're a life path number 1, then you are a trailblazer. You are independent, creative, and energetic. You have the ability to think outside the box and come up with new ideas. You are also very ambitious and want to achieve great things in life. You are confident and can be quite persuasive when you need to be. However, you can also be quite impulsive at times. It is important for you to learn how to control your impulses and think before you act. You also need to learn to be patient and not try to do everything at once. You will be successful in whatever you put your mind to, but you need to learn how to pace yourself. Otherwise, you will quickly become overwhelmed and bogged down by all of your responsibilities. So, take your time, enjoy the journey, and don't be afraid to take risks. After all, that's what life is all about. If you have a life path number 1, you are on the path of the warrior. As a natural leader and survivor, you possess many qualities which enable you to overcome any obstacle in your path. You are courageous and always ready to take on new challenges. You are also quick thinking and resourceful, able to think on your feet and come up with solutions to problems quickly. However, you can sometimes be impulsive and rash in your decisions. What are the advantages of life path number 1? Some of the advantages of having a life path number 1 include being independent, creative, ambitious, and confident. You are also able to think outside the box and come up with new ideas. However, you can also be quite impulsive at times. What are the weaknesses of life path number 1? Some of the weaknesses of having a life path number 1 include being impulsive, impatient, and sometimes rash in your decisions. You also need to learn to be patient and not try to do everything at once. Otherwise, you will quickly become overwhelmed and bogged down by all of your responsibilities. What is the life path number 1's purpose? The life path number 1's purpose is to be a trailblazer and to lead the way for others. You are independent, creative, and energetic. You have the ability to think outside the box and come up with new ideas. You are also very ambitious and want to achieve great things in life. However, you can also be quite impulsive at times. What are some career options for life path number 1? Some career options for those with a life path number 1 include being an entrepreneur, a business owner, or a manager. You could also be a salesperson, a marketing director, or an advertising executive. You might also enjoy being a writer, a journalist, or an artist. Whatever you choose to do, you will be successful as long as you are able to control your impulses and think before you act. What life path numbers go well with number 1? Some life path numbers that go well with number 1 include 3, 5, and 7. These numbers share some of the same qualities, such as being independent, creative, and ambitious. However, they also have some different qualities that can balance out the impulsive nature of the 1. 3 is a social butterfly and is always surrounded by friends and family. 5 is a free spirit who loves to travel and explore new things. 7 is a deep thinker who is always looking for answers to life's big questions. Together, these numbers create a well-rounded individual who is able to take risks, think outside the box, and achieve great things in life. So, if you have a life path number 1, don't be afraid to take risks and explore new opportunities. You are sure to find success in whatever you put your mind to. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video of the life path number 1. If you found it helpful, please share it with your friends and family.